Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. Novigrad Croatia is a little village in the northwest corner of Croatia in an area called Istria. Now, while it might be a small village, they have a big reputation when it comes to food, especially scallops. They're supposed to be the finest, sweetest scallops in the world. So that's my inspiration. However, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get Novigrad scallops at home, but I'll do my best. So take a look around the village. Well, of course, I don't have Novigrad scallops, but I do have a pound of beautiful Atlantic scallops. They're wild. That's the big difference, is you want to get them wild. But first we're going to start with the polenta. I have 4 cups of water boiling. I put in 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Then I want to whisk 1 cup of cornmeal into the water. You whisk it so it doesn't get lumpy. Now you want to let this cook for about 15-20 minutes. You want to stir it here and there. I'm going to turn the heat down to low to let that cook. Now in this pan, I have a couple of tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to add about 1/3 of a pound of prosciutto, which I chopped up. Prosciutto is so huge in Croatia. Just fry this in butter until it's crispy. Remember, keep stirring the polenta so it all gets cooked through. Okay, this is nice and crispy, so I'm going to just take it off the heat. Put it back in the bowl. And this is the pan that I'm going to cook the scallops in. And scallops only take a couple of minutes. So I want to brown them on both sides. These are so delicate, they take no time. I'm going to add a couple of cloves of garlic to the pan. Flip the scallops over. Now, as the second side is browning, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of white wine for flavor to let them finish cooking. Let's check the polenta. Oh, it's beautiful. We'll add a couple more things to the polenta. We're going to add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I want to add about a teaspoon or so of oregano. A splash of cream. 2 tablespoons. Just to make it extra creamy. We'll stir that all in. I want to add just about a cup's worth of tomatoes to this for color and flavor. Let that cook for just a minute. My gosh. Novigrad scallops with Parmesan polenta and prosciutto, and it's beautiful. Well, it's amazing. And this is one of the reasons I love to travel, because I learn so much about food and I can share it with you.